What's up, babies? It's your girl Tati Chanel back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a ombre butterfly effect with a clear tip. So let's get started. Ooh, shorty, yes. This is my custom acrylic that I did. Let me just show you. My hands are a little crooked, you know. So here I use my D&D clear tips. This is a size 6. Since I'm gonna put a clear tip, I don't want the D&D and the number to be showing, so I'm just gonna clip that right off, just like that. So we're basically doing straight, straight, straight. So now I'm gonna take my hand file, my 100 hand file, and file into a coffin shape. So where the tip and the natural nail meet, right here, I'm gonna be blending this. I'm not gonna scratch up this surface since I want this to be very transparent. Next, I'm gonna prime my nail. I'm gonna be using the Mia Secret primer, and this is a no burn acid free primer. Everything will be down in the Everything will be down in the description box below. I'm priming my nail. I usually double prime on my clients all the time. The products I'm going to be using are going to be these butterflies. So these are basically the hollow butterflies. You have like your purple, your teal, pink, black, like a rose gold, kind of pink, the navy blue, silver, gold, silver. These are hollow, these are just regular silver, red, green, and white. And they come in like these little things where you open them. Sorry, my nails are too long to open. So you just like open them, and then all your little butterflies are. Oh wow, oh my god, Tati, get yourself together. What about if we do like an ASMR? Ew. Okay, never mind. Just kidding. I'm too loud for that. Also, I'm gonna be taking my Cover Peach acrylic powder by CB Nails. I don't have a specific link for this, but their shop, I believe it was in California, so this is where I got it. I'm gonna be using peach powder, little butterflies or whatever, and some clear acrylic powder from Mia Secret. I have all my little butterflies set up right here. I'm gonna start off really small, drain the liquid, and place by the cuticle. So I'm just patting and patting, and then I'm gonna drag. This is basically like you're doing an ombre, but you have no color in the bottom. So basically kind of like a reverse ombre if you put it that way. Again, I'm gonna take a little bit more, place it, pat, pat, pat. Make sure it's from sidewall to sidewall, and drag. So you want to be creating that little effect right here. So when you place your butterflies, it's gonna look like an ombre butterfly look. So I need some on the side. I'm gonna take one here, pull down. So I pulled it down a little bit more. Try to keep your application super clean so your filing process can be really easy. So once you have laid your peach acrylic, I'm gonna get my brush and dip it in the monomer, and I'm gonna get a little bead of clear, put it on there, and kind of swipe up. So right here you just want a really thin layer just so the butterflies can start sticking. So then I'm gonna start placing my butterflies. And I'm just literally dipping in the monomer and picking up. So I'm getting another bead of acrylic and placing that one. So once I like everything, I'm just gonna encapsulate it. So I'm taking a medium to big size of clear acrylic. I don't want to build no more acrylic here, so every time I encapsulate, I never do the cuticle. To me, that's just a waste of product. You don't need to encapsulate the cuticle. And here I'm encapsulating and building the apex as well. And now I'm just dragging everything down. And this is when you start perfecting the shape. So there we go. We're done with application. Okay, baby, so this bit is called the Tapered barrel bit. I just got it recently from Amazon. I've tried it maybe like 3 times already. It's not my favorite. People love this bit, but I don't know, it just didn't work out for me. No me gustó. But if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down below. So remember, when we're going up and down, we're removing acrylic and we're going from side to side. That's when we're smoothing out the acrylic. Next, we're going in with our orange buffer, and this step is really important, especially if you have clear nails, so you could just smooth out all the scratches. So make sure you take your time with this. Next, we took an alcohol wipe and wiped the nails so we could remove all the dust. Next, we're taking our Koopa No Wipe Gel Top Coat and just applying a very generous but very thin layer. And girl, I know you see them butterflies. And we're going to cure for 60 seconds. So once that is done, make sure to get some cuticle oil and rub all that oil because, girl, we ain't no crusty cuticles on this side of town, okay? So that's it, babies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe. Let's get to 800 subscribers and hit the bell so you can know when I post. And I'll see you till next time. Bye.